Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe known as Hyderabadi Pulao. This pulao is been so beautiful and so delicious that it releases all the aroma in your house while cooking it. And to do that, let's go and start it. And to start with, I'm going to use 2 cups of basmati rice. I'm going to add some water and keep it for soaking for at least half an hour. So friends, this is the special masala for this Hyderabadi Pulao, and I'm using for that 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger, 2 pieces of cardamom, 6 to 8 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 to 4 green chilies. Chilies is up to your option how much you want to have it. A handful of coriander stem. I'm using coriander stem because the coriander stems give much more better flavor. 1 inch of cinnamon stick. A key ingredient of this dish is the mint leaves, and I'm using a handful of mint leaves. And let's squeeze half a lime juice. Now let's go and grind this to a smooth paste. And so this is how it's going to be once it's grounded. Now I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of dalda or clarified butter. Now I'm going to put 1 whole bay leaf, 2 chopped onions. Now let's saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add 1 large tomato. Now I'm going to add all this masala paste in this. Now let's fry this for another 5 minutes. So the whole process of frying onions and sauteing up with this masala and all, you always make sure that you're doing it on a very low flame. The more low flame, the much better the result is. So I've turned the gas to a medium flame, and now I'm going to saute this back again for another 5 minutes. Now let's add the rice. Now let's give a mix. If you have noticed, this is the exact cup that I used to take rice. I used 2 cups of rice, and this is the stock what I had just mixed out. So this is 1 cup, this is the 2nd cup, 3rd cup, and this is the 4th cup of water. So for 2 cups of rice, I'm using 4 cups of water. So this is the chicken stock powder that I'm using, 2 tablespoons. I've prepared this myself. And for this recipe, I'll share it in the description. This is the 2nd spoon. You can use even vegetarian stock powder if you want to. There is a vegetable stock cubes that I've made. Give a stir. After adding the stock powder, do check for salt if it's required and adjust accordingly. Now let's cover the lid so that the pulao gets cooked very well. And our pulao is ready now. To know if the pulao is exactly done or not, you can either taste the rice, you can feel it, if you can break the rice very softly, as you see now it's very soft, or you just put a spoon inside, see if there is any moisture inside left, and if it's completely dry, that means it's completely done now. The pulao is ready. Now with the help of a spoon, very gently, we're going to use a spoon so that we don't break the rice, and we are going to mix all the pulao back again. So friends, this pulao smells very fantastic, and it smells all over in my house now. If you've liked our recipe, please do show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.